tell you that we wish you a happy, wonderful, and exciting birthday. We hope you have lots of fun today, right, Max? And I want to also tell you that I'm so proud of the young man that you're growing up to be. I want you to continue to make wise choices and continue to set the tone for all good things in your life. And just continue to do what you're doing. Be a great son, a great friend, a cousin, a great everything, and we love you so much.
You'll be just fine. Yeah. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Bring me down, can't none what?
Oh, happy birthday, Issa. 10-0, double digits. With great powers come great responsibilities. But I will leave you with this. I wined and dined with kings and queens, even slept in alleyways and ate pork and beans. Happy birthday.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
So Sasha, happy birthday. Hope you have a good day. Enjoy, you know what I'm saying? And do good in school and all that stuff. And yeah.
Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday from your big cousin. I hope you have a great day and do well in school, make new friends, have fun, and I'll see you soon.
ISSAH, happy birthday. I hope you're having fun on your birthday. And always remember that if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And a plan without actions is a dead plan. So always have action items for your plan. May Allah continue to guide and bless you in all things that you do. Happy birthday from Uncle Yamani and Chanel Clark.
Hi, Uncle.
Hi, Auntie.
Happy birthday, Isawi.
Isawi. I wish you a beautiful year.
Sorry, Uncle, we can't make it. I'm on my work right now.
But we love
you, Uncle.
Happy birthday, Issa. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. I wish I was there to be with you. Sky say happy birthday, and also Nikolai says happy birthday as well. We wish you have a wonderful birthday and many more to come. Mwah!
A happy 10th birthday. Welcome to Double Digits. Wish I was there to celebrate with you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Issa. We love you. Miss you.
What's up, big guy? Are you 10? What? God damn, when? Happy birthday. Man of the house. All right, take it easy.
Birthday, Issa. I miss you. I hope you have an amazing day. Enjoy yourself. Bye.
Love you.
Average game truck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.